Welcome back to Glam Tones Love Bugs. My name is Gigi, and in today's one day late video, what we're going to do is celebrate a little something that my granddaughter did. She started her own small business. It is a cosmetic company called Spooky Cosmetics. Right now she is working mainly with lashes and mascara and stuff, but I'm sure her brand is going to expand, and I am here to celebrate that with a spooky summery set. Here it is again, Spooky Cosmetics. Go over there and check it out. This is not a sponsored video. I just love my granddaughter and I want to celebrate what she's doing. She's really doing something for herself and I'm proud of her. So we used 3 coats of that really pretty Saviland milky white to get this not quite opaque look, still very milky. And now we're going to use my Dageda powders and come in and just decorate, right? I'm not trying to cover the whole nail, but if it gets covered, I'm fine with that too. I'm just playing. What color looks good here? We're working with 4 different colors. What do I want to do with them? And we're just laying them down on the nail in an artsy-fartsy sort of fashion, okay? I love my nail powders. If you're a friend to the channel, you know this. You know I'm obsessed with my nail powders. So this was right up my alley to do this. As soon as I saw her logo, I was like, oh, I have stamps. I have stamps that are going to go with that. And so I couldn't wait to do a set for her. Whoo! Wow. Okay. Guys, let me just say, I'm going to be really real with you right now. Voiceovers are freaking hard. Okay, maybe there are some folks out there that are just awesome at doing the voiceovers. If that's you, I celebrate you. I congratulate you. I love you. Please teach me your ways. If you've been watching the channel for a while, you know I struggle with the voiceovers. I just do. Speaking of people watching the videos, guys, about 90% of you that watch the videos aren't subscribed. And we are literally like 6 people away from a giveaway. It's a fun giveaway. It's an amazing giveaway. I cannot wait to give it away to one of you. So please click the subscribe button. Let's get to that giveaway. Let's get me to 500 subscribers. And then we can start working for the next milestone together. Okay? Let's grow this channel. I'm so excited. Okay. Sorry. Got a little carried away there. So we're just finishing up the nails. That's the pinky. Just giving it a little color. The pinky got a little carried away, but, you know, I love it still. I love all of these nails. So as you can see, that's a little ghost that says spooky. How perfect is that for this set? So we're going to go ahead and lay that down. 2 of the nails are going to get the spooky treatment. We've got the pretty thumbnail and the middle nail. Then, again, how perfect is this? We have a spooky eye with spider webs for nails. Spider webs for eyelashes, guys. Am I serious right now? Then we've got these cute little witches. We're going to put on a few of the nails because I think it just looks so cute. Another eye. And then we've got some real cute stars that we're going to add. Just a bunch of cute stars. Stars are nighttime. They're spooky sometimes. They were on the plate, and I thought they'd look really cute. And my granddaughter's name is Star. Guys, these are so cute. I think they perfectly represent her brand. I'm so happy to be able to make this set for her. And hopefully more sets to come because I love supporting my grandchildren. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think of this set in the comment section down below. Get over and check out some Spooky Cosmetics because I know you're going to love what she's got over there. I know I do. And we are going to see you in the next video. Mwah! Bye-bye.